Raw water intake gate opened. Primary intake pumps activated. Underground pipeline pressurized. Water flow stabilized.
Large debris filtration engaged. Metal grid barriers lowered. Solid particles intercepted. Primary screening completed.
Sludge extraction arms activated. Settled waste removed. Tank base cleared. Water level normalized. Transfer pumps reactivated. Water routed to sand filtration. Pressure valves regulated. Flow consistency maintained. Multi-layer sand filters operational. Fine suspended particles trapped. Turbidity sensors scanning. Clarity index improving. Water redirected to softening unit. Calcium ions exchanged. Hardness level adjusted. Mineral balance controlled. Pre-treated water entering RO. High pressure pumps activated. Membrane housing sealed. Flow compression initiated. Semi-permeable membranes filtering. Dissolved solids separated. Impurities rejected outward. Purified stream isolated. Permeate tank receiving purified water. Internal stainless lining secured. Air contact restricted. Contamination risk minimized. UV sterilization unit activated. Ultraviolet lamps energized. Disrupted. Biological presence neutralized.
Ozone injection system engaged. Oxidation process initiated. Remaining pathogens destroyed. Sterility reinforced.
Sterile holding tank pressurized. Sealed environment maintained. Temperature sensors calibrated. Purified water stabilized. Transfer pumps activated. Purified water routed forward. Pipeline pressure aligned. Water ready for syrup preparation. Magnetic separator engaged. Metal fragments extracted. Foreign particles removed. Material purity secured.
Weighing hopper filling. Load cells calculating mass. Batch quantity measured. Dispense authorization granted.
Fine mesh filtration engaged. Undissolved particles trapped. Clarity improving steadily. Syrup consistency stabilized. Transfer pump engaged. Syrup routed to blending unit. Pipeline sealed under pressure. Ready for flavor integration. Purified water valve opened. Syrup transfer line connected. Blending tank sealed. Primary mixing cycle initiated.
Caramel color dosing activated. Micro-volume pumps operating. Shade intensity monitored digitally. Visual standard achieved.
Temperature regulation system engaged. Cooling jackets circulating. Thermal fluctuation minimized. Blend stability maintained. High-speed homogenizer activated. Microscopic consistency achieved. Uniform composition confirmed.
Inline sampling valve opened. Quality probe inserted. Flavor density verified. Approval code generated.
Blended liquid transferred forward. Buffer tank receiving mixture. Oxygen exposure restricted. Pre-carbonation stage ready. Storage tanks unlocked. Gas purity analyzer activated. Moisture level scanned. Compression cycle authorized. High pressure compressor engaged. Carbon dioxide pressurized. Delivery line consistency achieved.
Chilling unit activated. Temperature reduced to set point. Gas absorption optimized.
Carbonation chamber sealed. Liquid entering under pressure. Injected precisely. Dissolution process initiated. Overflow safeguard engaged. Pressure relief valve. System stability maintained. Carbonation cycle sustained. Transfer pumps activated. Carbonated beverage routed onward. Pipeline sealed under pressure. Ready for bottle preparation stage. PET preforms loaded into hopper. Feeding rail activated. Preforms aligned vertically. Heating tunnel prepared. Infrared heaters energized. Preform bodies rotating slowly. Polymer temperature rising evenly. Molding threshold approaching. Cooling circuit activated. Mold temperature reduced. Plastic structure solidifying. Dimensional stability. Defective bottles diverted automatically. Approved units advancing. Production speed synchronized. Output rate stabilized. Drain phase activated. Residual rinse water evacuated. Air knives positioned. Moisture removal initiated. UV sterilization tunnel energized. MicroRNA disrupted. Surface sterilization achieved. Ozone mist chamber engaged. Oxidation cycle active. Remaining pathogens neutralized. Sterility reinforced. Sanitation validation probe inserted. Random bottle sampled. Microbial count verified. Approval code transmitted.
Liquid level rising steadily.
Electronic level probe scanning.
Target volume approaching.
Precision maintained. Pressure equalization phase initiated. Excess gas vented safely. Bottle stability maintained. Fizz retention optimized.
Filled bottles exiting carousel. External rinse spray activated. Surface residue removed. Clean exterior achieved.
Foam detection sensor active. Overflow presence analyzed. Spillage negative. Line efficiency sustained. Cap hopper loaded. Fiber feeder activated. Caps oriented uniformly. Delivery chute aligned. Magnetic cap track engaged. Caps advancing in sequence. Spacing regulated precisely. Capping turret synchronized. Tamper band compression verified. Security ring locked. Neck seal integrity ensured. Consumer safety secured. Capping carousel rotation sustained. Output rate stabilized. Production continuity maintained. All bottles sealed. Pressure integrity confirmed. System indicator green. Ready for labeling stage. Bottle body detected by sensor. Label released precisely. Wraparound drum rotating. Surface contact achieved.
Pressure belts engaged. Air bubbles eliminated. Adhesion force stabilized. Coca-Cola branding secured.
Approved Coca-Cola bottles advancing. Label adhesion curing. Conveyor speed stabilized. Line efficiency maintained.
All bottles labeled and coded.
Quality verification complete.
System indicator green.
Ready for final inspection.
Fill level sensor engaged. Liquid height recalculated. Tolerance range enforced. Deviation units flagged.
Cap torque recheck performed. Rotational resistance measured. Seal compression validated. Leak risk minimized. X-ray inspection module active. Foreign object detection scanning. Internal clarity verigative.
Weight check system operational. Net mass compared to standard. Overweight bottles diverted. Weight check system operational. Net mass compared to standard. Overweight bottles diverted.
Carbonation pressure probe sampling. Internal gas level analyzed. Fizz retention confirmed. Batch consistency maintained.
Printed carton graphics scanned. Barcode verification executed. Batch match confirmed. Traceability maintained.
Shrink wrap tunnel activated if required. Heat applied uniformly. Plastic film tightening. Bundle stability reinforced.
Cartoning cycle completed. Packaging stage cleared. System indicator green. Ready for palletizing process.
Empty wooden pallets entering station. Positioning stops engaged. Pallet centered precisely. Lift platform stabilized. Robotic arm descending. Vacuum gripper activated. Carton layer lifted. Vertical clearance maintained. Layer positioned above pallet. Placement coordinates verified. Cartons released uniformly. Base layer secured. Slip sheet dispenser activated. Separator sheet placed. Load distribution improved. Stack stability reinforced. Stretch wrap machine engaged. Rotating arm circling pallet. Plastic film tension applied. Load compression achieved.
Completed Coca-Cola pallet advancing. Forklift lane cleared. System indicator green. Ready for cold storage stage. Automated forklift engaged. Pallet lifted from transfer lane. Weight sensors verifying load. Movement path calculated.
Energy efficient cooling cycle adjusted. Compressor load balanced. Our consumptions. Operational efficiency maintained. Dispatch order received. Target pallet identified. Retrieval route programmed. Forklift reactivated.
Selected cocoa pallet extracted. Transfer lane cleared. Cold chamber secured. Ready for logistics deployment.
Loading dock doors opened. Dock leveler engaged. Transport truck aligned. Wheel locks secured.
Automated forklift advancing. Coca-Cola pallet lifted. Trailer interior scanned. Load position calculated.
Pallet placed inside trailer. Axle weight distributed evenly. Cargo spacing verified. Stability parameters satisfied. Additional pallets loaded sequentially. Stack restraint bars locked. Shock absorption pads positioned. Movement tolerance minimized.
Truck doors sealed. Security lock engaged. GPS tracker activated. Vehicle departure initiated.
Highway transit monitored remotely. Temperature sensors transmitting data. Vibration levels analyzed. Cargo stability confirmed. Regional warehouse arrival detected. Dock alignment executed. Pallets unloaded systematically. Inventory system updated. Delivery completed. Carton shelved. POS activated. Consumer availability ensured.
Energy dashboard updated, power consumption optimized, cooling load balanced, efficiency index stabilized.
Quality database archived. Batch traceability secured. Compliance certificates stored. Audit readiness confirmed.
Factory exterior monitored. Supply chains synchronized globally. Coca-Cola production continuous. Robotics cycle perpetual.